Is it safe to clean the air conditioning drain line if you are not familiar with heating, ventilation, and air conditioning systems? Cleaning the drain line is a manageable task if you follow clear steps and respect safety practices. Start by shutting off all power to the air conditioning unit at the thermostat and the circuit breaker to prevent electrical accidents. Locate the condensate drain line, which is usually a PVC pipe, near the indoor unit or a small access point on the side of a split system, and remove the cap on the cleanout if present. Use a wet vacuum at the outside drain exit or the indoor access to extract standing water and debris, and avoid forcing rigid wires down the pipe because that can damage the line or the pan. Flush the line with a 1/4 cup of distilled white vinegar followed by warm water to break up biological growth, or use a cup of liquid dish soap diluted in warm water for grease. Do not mix cleaning chemicals. Wear gloves and eye protection. Keep a bucket and rags handy for spills, and stop immediately and call a professional if you see leaks, mold sheens that smell strongly, or if the vacuum will not pull water out. Common mistakes include not cutting power first, which risks electrical shock, using metal tools that can puncture the pipe, which leads to water damage, and assuming a clog is only in the visible section when it is deeper in the line so the problem returns. If power is not shut off, then stop and turn off both thermostat and breaker before continuing. Use a soft, flexible drain snake or a wet vacuum instead of metal rods to avoid punctures. And if the vacuum cannot remove the clog, try flushing small amounts of vinegar and warm water to break biological blockages or call a technician. If recurring clogs happen, inspect the condensate pan for cracks and check for poor slope in the drain line. Replace a cracked pan and have the line repitched by a contractor for a permanent fix. We run BigHomeProjects.com to help homeowners find trusted local contractors and to help contractors find work through our platform. We also host a discussion community where homeowners and contractors exchange practical advice, share project photos, and discuss step-by-step approaches to common maintenance tasks like drain line cleaning.